As we have seen that Trump has extended, paused the war till 7th April. So, what the inference which I have done during my research is that Iran has prepared for every scenario, every type of scenario. For that, Iran has prepared itself in a global exclusive. When we see that there is a global exclusive interviews going on with different foreign ministers of Iran, what we have seen that they are saying that we have prepared for every scenario and its armed forces are fully ready following US threats, because US is also trying to put in its army on the at the foot level. So Iranians are also being very prepared for all these type of wars, because by doing all these type of things America wants to conquer Iran, because when there is a fight between the armies on at the territorial level, then all these things happen. Then back channel talks are confirmed, and for all these back channel talks jitne bhi hain, those are all confirmed. And the Iranian deputy foreign minister uh, admitted that he has put all the people at the root level, because they are going to be totally prepared by the attack of America. They are seeing all the threatenings and warnings from US Trump, and accordingly they are preparing themselves, and they are keeping an eye, a peak eye on all these things. Then Iran challenges regime change talk. Now, Bagheli rejected US pressure. Bagheli said that I am not at all. Bagheli is who? Bagheli is the foreign minister of Iran. And he said that I am not at all in pressure of US this. And they are acting in a very calm way. And in the narrative regime change, what he said regarding regime change, that any further escalation against Iran would be strategic mistake. He said that if America is doing these type of things, then it would be a strategic mistake on behalf of Iran, or on behalf of America. He said like that. Then there is Strait of Hormuz blockade statement. In his interview, he said that Iranian Minister Corporation whether the Strait of Hormuz was shut. Then Baghei suggested that while the strait of has been affected by wartime measures against hostile countries, it was not a permanent closure for all. As you have seen that those are allowing few countries to move from state of Hormuz, so they haven't. They are saying that it's not for the permanent closure. Then Iran's position is rather much stronger, and he said that now Iran is getting more and more stronger, because when वो कहते हैं ना आत्मघाती, जब कोई इंसान आत्मघाती हो जाता है, तो जब उसने इतना कुछ बर्दाश्त कर लिया होता है, when इतना कुछ टॉलरेट करने के बाद, now Iran is coming much stronger. And there is a lot of criticism on Trump's narrative, and all are saying that he is totally confused and incoherent, and denied that we are. He always denied all the keep on denying all the facts, and he never listened to anybody. And he's saying that whatever I am doing very good. Rather, there is internal politics against Trump, and there are many NATO countries also which are moving now against Trump. And Trump is also saying to Britain and to Germany that whenever there would be any requirement of America won't be helping you now in future. So like this now, sometimes he is saying to NATO people that you are coward. Taking care of their own country is not a cowardness. So like this, he is getting no support from NATO countries also.